Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to properly dump your PS4 games with junk support. Things we're gonna need is the PS4 dumper payload that is available here. I will put all needed links in the description. We'll need the PS4 dumper payload, package generator, and a way to send payloads to our PS4. In this case I will be using netcat GUI, the manual way. So what we want to do is download these two files. We'll need them. And the dumper payload, we're gonna need this too. And of course, for this dumping dumps the game to the USB stick or external hard drive. So in this case I will be using a 32 gigabyte USB stick 3.0. 3.0 is really recommended because it's really very fast and I really recommend it. We need to have the USB stick formatted to exFAT. It's right here available. I have already mine formatted, so I won't do it now. And what we want to do is basically go to our PS4. At first we want to start up our game. In this case I will be using my Gravity Rush disk, and if you have it already installed, just uninstall it, remove it, reboot your PS4, and yeah, we put our disk in the PS4. And let it install to the max. It should be pretty fast, at least with all the games I had it's always been very fast. And we launch the game. And make sure you get to at least a main menu or something like this to make sure all files will be dumped. In this case, as you can see, the game is loading pretty slow because all files are being installed from the Blu-ray disc. So this might, I don't know, it doesn't take a really long time. Or my PS4 is struggling with the disc. I hope not. That will be not good. Oh, I got scared. So let it wait till the game boots up. To the main screen, main menu, whatever, it's game dependent. So after it boots to the main menu, you want to press the PS button to minimize the game. You want to go to web browser or user guide, depends on which exploit method you're using. In this case I am using user guide because that's my favorite way to do it. So it will listen for payloads. Fuck. Again, I hope it won't kernel panic. Yeah, it won't. Okay. So we want to go to our PC, go to netcat GUI, browse, and search up our PS4 dumper payload. And I actually haven't done it yet. Make sure your PS4 is in the far right port, right USB port. So we're gonna plug this in. Make sure your USB is plugged in, and after we plugged in our USB stick, all we want to do is click inject payload, and you should see, I didn't know even this, it should say welcome to the PS4 dumper, start dumping to, wow, actually I think this is a new, yes, this the release is been 1 hour ago. It seems that it has been added. I haven't noticed it before, so I'm quite surprised. I didn't know it that you'll get a pop-up like this. So yeah, you should get a pop-up like this, and it should start dumping, and when it is finished dumping it should automatically shut off your console. So you will notice when it's finished your console will be turned off. It isn't a kernel panic, so everything will be turned it's just turning off your console so that you know it's finished dumping. So I'll get to you guys back after my game has finished dumping. It's around 9 gigabytes, so it isn't very big, but yeah, it takes a little while, so I'll get to you guys back when it's finished. So after the PS4 has shut down, it means the dumping has been completed successfully. We want to take our USB stick to our PC. Yep. And as you can see, it says TUSA code, and it should say complete. Here we have our game files, already fake signed, decrypted, fake signed, everything is done for us. Now what we, oh, I've closed the page. So what we need to do is launch the program that we downloaded, gengp4.exe. We want to run this. It says it's a virus, but it's a probably it is a fake positive. We need to select our TUSA directory. So we click yes, search or whatever it's called. We go to our USB stick and we select our TUSA folder. We press OK, and we press generate GP4. It should take a while, but at least that's what previous dump methods missed, is rebuilding chunks, which is very good because now literally every dump should work. So after it's done, it doesn't really take very long. We press save GP4, and it should ask whether do we want to save it. So I'll just gonna save it right here. It should say done. Now we can run our GP4 file using fake package generator. So in this case I'm gonna just do it real quick manually. Go to our fake package generator, go to orbispubgen.x, we press file, open, and we choose our GP4 project file, and literally we do nothing more else than we press build, we press output path. I'm gonna just save it to my USB stick. I press save, build, and all we need to wait is till the image actually builds. It can throw off some warnings like this. For example, format of the ELF file is not valid, already stripped, which must not be stripped, but it should work either way. So all we must do now is actually wait till it builds. Since I am saving to my USB stick, which is in a 2.0 port, it will take a while. So yet again, I will be back when it's finished. It will take a while, probably. So after our package is created, we can close the program. As you can see, package has been made. 9.90 gigabyte. And we can start up a PS4 and take out our USB stick, plug it in the PS4. Let's wait till it boots up. I don't like using my preview from internal from this screen because it's always kinda glitchy. But what you want to do is actually delete the game so we can test that it's working. Let me eject the disk real quick. And we want to launch our payload, and of course this thing is lagging because I'm using my wrong USB port. We want to launch our exploit and load PS4HEN. So let me load it real quick and show you that I can install my package. Let's press inject, and debug settings, game, package installer, and as you can see I can install it without any problem. So this was basically the the entire tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helped you. See you.